Hello and welcome. I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we're going to be doing the hair and makeup for the 1940s inspired outfit. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To start, I will be curling my hair into a style more like what they wore in the 1940s. In order to achieve that look, I will be doing what is called pin curls. These curls were done because it was easy and inexpensive to accomplish. To begin, I will start with damp hair and will apply this hair gel. I'm not sure where I got it. The gel will help the curls hold their shapes. Then I will start by gathering a section at the front of my hair. Then with my hand about an inch away from my scalp, I will begin wrapping the hair around my fingers. I'm choosing to do 2 fingers as this will leave a nice medium-sized curl. Once I reach the end, I will gently remove my fingers and begin the next step, which is rolling the bottom of the curl towards the scalp, finishing the last inch. Then I will secure this with a couple of bobby pins. I will then repeat this step over and over again until I get to the end of my hair, working from the front to the sides and then the back. After all of that, I will cover my hair in a thin scarf and go about my day. Now that the hair has dried and the curls have set, I will begin by removing all of the pins and seeing what I have to work with. Then I will start brushing the curls out a little bit to create a soft curl shape. This was a mistake for me, and I would not recommend doing this if you have thick or coarse hair. You can leave the curls just like this, or you can style them. I will be styling them. The style I will be doing is a side twist, which is probably one of the easiest styles. First, I'll be gathering a section of my hair on the side of my head. Then I will twist this up and back, creating lovely volume. Then I will pin this in place with bobby pins. I did this on both sides due to the frizziness of brushing out my curls. After I finish styling my hair, it is time for the makeup. To start, I will be doing foundation and concealer. I got both of these products at Walmart for about $8 each. They are both CoverGirl. I want this to be as thin as possible, as women in the 1940s did not generally use these products. Now I will move on to the eyes. The eyes were not the most important thing in the 1940s due to rationing and makeup shortages. For this, I will be using this light brown eyeshadow from a palette by Maybelline called The Nudes that matches my skin to blend the foundation and concealer onto the eyes, but that is all I will do with the eyeshadow. Next, I will take this brown eyeliner and go as close to my lash line as possible. I'll also create the smallest wing I can. I'm not sure where I got this eyeliner from either. The last thing I will do with the eyes is a light, and I mean very light, layer of mascara. I am using CoverGirl Professional 3-in-1 Hydro Proof in Very Black. I got this from Walmart for about $5.50. Now I move on to the cheeks. I will be using the tried and true process of simply pinching the skin to encourage a nice rosy color. For the lips, I will be doing a nice red lips. It is very classic. The lipstick I am using is called Cherry Frost from the brand Wet n Wild. I got it from Walmart for $1. I will be applying this first with a lip brush and then just fully from the tube. Congratulations, you now have nice makeup and hair to go with the outfit. Here's what they look like with the blouse and jacket. If you would like to see how I made these, check out the playlist on my channel. Now that you have the hair and makeup, you are ready for the accessories. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!